first warning weather from KXAN Austin News.
And what a hot day it was today, and with a nice sudden cool down, which was welcomed, but unfortunately it came kind of at a price. Our 360 tower cam right now giving us a really good view of the city, and mostly to partly cloudy skies for us right now. Our heat advisory, as you can see across the land here, it has actually been greatly reduced. Just a few of the outlying counties around the viewing area at this point are still under the gun as far as a heat advisory goes. Now, having said that, does that necessarily mean that there's no heat advisory tomorrow? Not really. We are going to kind of take a wait-and-see position exactly on if this will be extended or not. But right now, we are still looking at rather high temperatures for the next several days. So, again, don't let your guard down. Right now, it's 82 degrees in Georgetown. It's 84 in Lampasas, 82 in Burnett, 80 degrees right now in Bastrop, and 78 in LaGrange. And then off in the hill country, still 86 warm degrees in Llano, and 87 degrees in Mason, and 86 in Fredericksburg. Now, right now we're looking at pretty clear skies. Not so bad. 82 degrees. We'll take that. And at the airport, it's 80 degrees right there for us, and our winds not giving us much relief. Winds out of the southeast at 6 or out of the east at 3. So bottom line, it's kind of a coolish breeze, but still, don't get used to this. It's going to be scorching yet again tomorrow. So please be very, very careful out there. Lake Buchanan, really not much in the way of a surplus for water as far as that goes. And then Travis, we're looking at 4 feet above what is normally considered average for the lake at that time. And then those temperatures are still on the quite warm side. Our mold count, until it starts to cool down, we're going to see high mold for quite some time. And generally, that's usually into September. So we have some time for that. And then the forecast for tomorrow, yep, continued high. So if your nose is tingling, itching, coughing, sneezing, that's likely why if you're highly allergic to mold. Now across the area, 86 degrees in Oklahoma City, 93 degrees in Dallas, and it's 82 in Shreveport. And notice how right here in New Orleans, it's only 80 degrees. I'll show you why that's the case and why that could be significant for us within the next few days in just a second. Our satellite and radar, notice cloudy skies, a little bit of rain. We'll take it. Of course, unfortunately, it did come with a cost, but it does also stand to be a precursor for things to come. Look at this. See, this is the storm I want to show you. Notice how right here over New Orleans, this is still TD5. Remember TD5 from like weeks ago? It still hasn't dissipated, but the thing with this storm in and of itself is notice how large it is. It's not terribly organized, even though the National Hurricane Center has went ahead and given it a 60% chance of development. The good news for us is that it could stand to usher in a little bit more moisture because notice how large it is. Sure, the center is right here, but its reach is rather far-reaching. And bringing it in a little bit closer, you can see how it does continue to spin off the coast of Louisiana. And our clouds and radar forecasts do, again, kind of go ahead and give it a little bit of credence in pushing some of that rain and cloud cover towards us. Now, lows overnight, 77 for Georgetown, 77 in Lampasas. Highs tomorrow, triple digits. That's just the short version, the cliff notes. Now, tonight, maybe another scattered showers or so, 79 degrees. Tomorrow, still 103. Those heat indices could still be in the 110 range, so please make sure you keep yourself hydrated, check on your elderly, and make sure your pets have water as well. Now, notice that little 20% chance of rain Tuesday and into Wednesday. Continued hot into Thursday. I'll have one more final look at your weather in just a moment. But always, you can always check in the morning with Sean every 10 minutes for your traffic and weather beginning at 5 o'clock on Austin News Today.